Hello friend, let's find Lightning McQueen. Let's go! This is Lightning McQueen! Yeah!
I'm speed. Float like a Cadillac, sting like a bee.
This is Lightning McQueen! Yeah!
This is awesome! Oh!
This is Lightning McQueen! Yeah! This is Lightning McQueen! Yeah! Lightning McQueen! Yeah!
Hey. Yeah. No, not really.
Oh, who is that? Cruz Ramirez! Yeah! Cruz Ramirez!
The wheels and forward.
Wow! Dinoca King! Dinoca King helicopter!
Take my way.
This is Mack! Wow!
You are a sight for sore headlights. I'm so sorry I lost you, boss.
This is Mack! Wow! This is Doc Hudson! Yeah! This is Doc Hudson! Yeah!
Order in the court.
Ringo! Haha! Cool! Chick Hicks! Yeah! Look at this! Bulldozer! Yeah! Who is that? Tomato! Wow! Dinoca King helicopter! Yeah!
Take my way.
Oh, this is Serge! Yeah!
Reporting for duty.
Tomato! Wow!
Hello friend, let's find Lightning McQueen. Let's go! This is Lightning McQueen. Yeah!
Queen's the winner. Francesco's second, and they have no idea what happened behind them.
This is impossible.
That's what I'm talking about.
Who is that? Tomato! Wow!
Spit him out, you overgrown varmint!
Oh! This is Serge! Yeah!
Kiss the pavement goodbye, gentlemen. When I'm finished with you, you'll have mud in places you didn't know you had. Go, 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 go.
Oh! Who is that? Cruz Ramirez! Yeah!
This black pavement, these yellow lines are pulling
Who is that? Sally! Aha! This is Doc Hudson. Yeah.
Tried slamming him into the wall.
Who is that? Ramon. Wow! Dino King! Yeah!
You know then? This grumpy old race car I know once told me something.
This is Mack! Wow!
You're here! Take the minion.
This is Lightning McQueen. Yeah. Who is that? Tomato. Wow.
I am me.
Wingo. Woohoo.
Yo, Wingo! Lane change, man! Right back at ya!
Who is that? It's Fran. Wow.
Turn right to the left. Whoa, whoa, whoa,
Reporting for duty.
Very nice.
Order in the court! Seems like my mind has been changed for him.
I am me.
forced you, boss. I'll make it up to you.
Mac, I can't believe you're here.
That's just oh. Just gonna be going. Gonna.
Like the flame job.
Oh,
maybe
thanks,
ghost
man.
flames. You like old school pinstriping? Von Dutch style, huh?
Hello friend, let's find Lightning McQueen. Let's go. This is Lightning McQueen. Yeah. Who is that? Sally. Haha. This is Lightning McQueen. Yeah. This is Harley. Cool. Oh, who is that? Cruz Ramirez. Yeah. Dynamic King helicopter. Yeah.
Take my highway.
Oh, this is Serge. Yeah.
Reporting for duty.
Who is that? Tomater. Wow.
Time is done.
Wow!
This is Lightning McQueen. Yeah. Cool. Chick Hicks. Yeah. Who is that? Tomater. Wow.
Wait a minute, you overgrown varmint.
This is Lightning McQueen. Yeah. Oh, who is that? Cruz Ramirez. Yeah.
The wheels! And forward! And rest! And forward!
This is Lightning McQueen. Yeah. This is Doc Hudson. Yeah.
Order in the court!
Bingo. Haha. Look at these guys. Friend. Wow, Dynakakin. Yeah. Who is that? Tomater. Wow.
No!
This is Mack. Wow. Oh, cool.
Very popular flavor. Huh? Whoa!
Wow, Francesco. Haha.
Take a good look at Francesco now. Once the race begins,
This is Jackson Storm. Wow.
I think I touched a nerve.
Oh, who is that?
Get through that, McQueen! Oh, a huge crab!
This is Lightning McQueen. Yeah.
Not so fast. You seem hard.